I did put my hands on you because you're refusing to give me your information, and I'm not going to allow you to sit in that car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate this. I'm in charge. Do you understand me?
I'm very much so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No, because you put your hands on me.
Then how are you complying? I did.
You put your hands on me.
I did, because you failed to follow a lawful order.
On January 29th, 2025, Charlotte County deputies stopped a gold Cadillac for a rolling stop sign violation. 4 legal issues define this encounter. Issue 1, the stop itself. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, a stop requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion. A deputy's direct observation of a rolling stop under Florida Statutes, Section 316.123, satisfies that threshold. The stop was constitutionally valid.
Give me your information.
May I have a deputy?
Huh? You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you.
Yeah,
Step out of the vehicle.
for sure.
Do you have your information?
I don't need to give it to you.
Yes, you do. Why would you not?
Because I came after you and you came to make a...
Okay, step to the front of my car.
I could.
No, you will.
I could.
Go. To the front of my car. Go.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right there.
You're a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
Exactly, but Trump
426,
gave it...
94.
That is...
Sit down.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Sit.
No.
I don't care. Sit down.
No.
Where's your identification?
No.
Where's your driver's license,
No.
registration, and
No.
your proof of insurance?
No.
You've made this so much more difficult than it needs to be.
Because you came and made a U-turn in front of me, and you came after me and turned around. I
turned around because you committed a violation of Florida State statute. It does not matter if it is a yellow light.
Yes, it is.
I have explained to you why you were pulled over. I want your driver's license, registration.
And then you just put your hands on me.
I did put my hands on you because you're refusing to give me your information, and I'm not going to allow you to sit in that car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate this.
I'm
in charge. Do you understand me?
I'm very much so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No. Because you
then how are you complying? I did.
You put your hands on me.
I did, because you
take my
failed
shirt
to
off.
follow a
No,
lawful
I can take
order.
my shirt off as a woman. You need to identify as a male. I'm a female, and you just put your hands on me.
I did, because you are failing to produce your identification.
I did not, officer.
Did it?
I did not, officer.
Okay.
You just put your hands on me.
When I asked you,
officer,
driver's
you
license,
put your
registration,
hands on
proof of
me.
insurance.
No.
Where's your driver's license?
You put your hands on me.
Where's your driver's
You
license?
put your hands on me.
Where is your driver's
put your
license?
hands on me.
Where is your driver's license?
Your hands on me. No, officer. You put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
Ma'am,
you're being detained. No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing? What are you doing? You put your hands on me. Officer, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
If you do not comply, I'm going to put you on the ground.
I've been complying.
I'm going to put you on the ground.
You didn't even tell me what you pulled me out of the car.
And put your hands behind your
back.
back.
You're putting your hands on me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I literally have seizures.
Turn
and you're putting your
around
hands on.
and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Issue 2, refusal to produce identification. Florida Statutes, Section 322.125, imposes a clear obligation a driver must display their license on demand during any lawful stop. This is not discretionary. The refusal was a statutory violation. Issue 3, the exit order. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977, gives officers an absolute right to order a driver out of a vehicle during any lawful stop, no additional justification required. The driver's objection to the reason for the stop does not affect this authority. Issue 4, physical contact before formal arrest. Before DUI investigation began and before any arrest was made, the deputy initiated soft empty hand control. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force must be objectively reasonable given the totality of circumstances. Noncompliance with a lawful order supports some level of physical intervention, but the use of force continuum requires a sustained verbal command phase first. The speed of escalation here is a legitimate area of concern.
Step it up.
Officer,
turn around
you're
and put your hands behind your back.
Uncomfortable.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
No, you're making me uncomfortable. No, stop, officer. I refuse. Officer, you're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. I didn't do anything. You didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
No, you didn't, officer. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get your hands behind your back.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey, take her.
Officer, please. I got it.
Just get on the side. I got it. Guys, listen to me.
I didn't do anything.
Hey, listen. Get on the side.
He didn't ask for anything.
Relax. Hey, relax.
Behind your back. Please, no, he's hurting me.
I got him.
He didn't offer me anything.
Relax.
He didn't offer me anything.
There's no stop.
He didn't offer me anything. Officer, he's hurting me.
Relax.
I just sat there. He pulled me over. I pulled over. He's hurting me.
Hey, look towards the car. Look towards
He
the
hurt
car.
me.
Look towards the car.
I didn't do anything.
Listen, here.
You're hurting
Go ahead
me.
and fix this.
You're hurting me.
No, you're fine.
I didn't do anything.
Just relax.
I didn't do anything. I was at a yellow light.
Just
I
relax.
was at a yellow light.
Hey, what's your name?
I was at a yellow light.
I
What the
understand the
heck?
yellow light. What's your name?
I was at a yellow light. He threw a U-turn on me, and I was at a full stop.
Hey,
I was at a full stop.
you should slip
He's
these.
hurting me.
He's not hurting you.
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything.
You're not listening.
I didn't do anything.
It won't come out now.
It's all right.
Deputy.
Take your time. Hey,
Deputy, he literally did. He stopped me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn, and then I came out, and he tried to put his hands on me as a woman.
Right here.
I'm cooperating, and he tried to put me to the ground.
Say it for
I promise you, Deputy.
She
I'm
is-
trying to take a deep breath.
She hasn't been searched. I don't know if she's got
I've
anything
been
on her.
cooperating. He tried to put his hands on me from the get-go. I swear on my life, I didn't do nothing wrong.
hey, you're not
Yeah.
He
answering
was
the question.
in his own feelings. I didn't do anything.
I'm going to try to pull everything aside.
I didn't do anything. I put on my life. I was sitting at the yellow light and I waited for him to stop and I came after him and he made a U-turn on me. I am calm and he hurt my feelings and he upset me and then he put me. I didn't even say shit. I came out and I was like, no, I refuse because he was being mean to me.
She's cleared. I don't know if this got a hoodie, like a pocket on the
No, you're wrong and you know it.
That's fine. I've been wrong
We don't
before.
have any females
You've
right
been
now.
wrong before.
I know I have.
I know
Like
you
I
have,
said
but I
that.
know him.
Okay.
I know him faithfully and you hurt me.
Well, I'm Deputy
You put your
Thompson.
hands on me.
I'm Deputy. Now
No,
we know
but
each
you
other.
put your hands on me.
I know, because you didn't listen.
No, I didn't listen because
Oh,
you
okay.
pulled me out of the car and you didn't tell me what I did wrong. You did that and you know you did that.
I did. I just told you I
No, you're not.
Go
Yeah.
do it.
I didn't do anything wrong.
did. Yeah, there's an open beer bottle on the floorboard over there, which would confirm. She's smelling it out of her breath while she's talking to me the whole time.
The DUI investigation was grounded in two independent factors: odor of alcohol on the driver's breath and an open beer container found on the vehicle floor. Under Florida statutes, Section 316.193, these observations alone were sufficient probable cause to expand the stop into a DUI investigation consistent with Illinois versus Cabales 2000. 5. The driver was offered standardized field sobriety exercises. She expressed conditional willingness, repeatedly asking whether she would be able to pass before agreeing. That conditionality is legally fatal. Consent must be unequivocal and voluntary. A conditional yes if I know the outcome does not constitute consent under any Florida court interpretation.
I got a question for you, okay? Listen, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol. Would you be willing to...
I would be.
You'd be willing to complete standardized field sobriety for me?
I would be because I wasn't under the influence. I was looking for my vehicle. Looking for my car in my friend's vehicle.
Okay.
I didn't go anywhere, and you know that I didn't. You made a U-turn behind me.
I did because I saw you...
You made a U-turn
Why-
behind me because it was on a yellow light, and
No,
I had
ma'am.
the right of way, and
No,
I made
ma'am.
the right turn.
That's incorrect. I told you why I pulled you over. You failed to stop.
Officer, and even
Okay,
after that...
listen, I'm not arguing.
I'm
Give
not
me just a
trying to argue
second.
with you.
You are, though.
What the deputy wants you to do is field sobriety exercises. You know what the difference between that and the breathalyzer is?
Yes, what I asked was, is that the probable cause?
The probable cause is a traffic stop and the odor of alcohol.
Right, but
Okay.
he didn't give me the odor of alcohol. He pulled me out of my vehicle because he said I made a traffic violation, but didn't give me the description of that.
We're not going to stand here and debate the reason.
I'm not
for the
debating
stop.
that, but I know
Okay.
you know
What-
that I've
what we're
stopped,
asking you
been
to do-
stopped before, and
Sure.
I've been in the jail because of the hurricane, and I can't go to jail because of bond. So I was very compliant because of that. So there was no reason for me not to be compliant. With that being said, why would I go back to jail knowing that my bond can be revoked and I can go to jail for that?
What we're asking you to do is field sobriety exercises.
My thing is if I will be able to pass that, what will go after that?
We would make a determination at that point.
Determination at that point?
Yep.
And will I be able to get a traffic violation?
I'm not going to tell you one way or the other because we're not there yet.
I understand that, but
I'm not going to hold everything over your head or tell you that
I'm being very, very understanding, and I'm trying to understand what's going on.
Yep.
At this point, even if I were to pass or not pass, where is the violation that I committed?
Okay. Again, I'm not going to debate.
I don't know the violation that I committed, is what I'm saying.
He was explaining it to you when you were standing over there screaming at us.
No, I wasn't. I literally got pulled and grabbed. I have a literally mark on my arm to show that he literally put me over when I told him that I was a woman. I would rather be a female because he told me he wanted to search me.
You don't have that option.
I didn't have the option, but
You
what
don't
made me
get to select
upset?
what police officer.
Come on, I'm talking to you as literally. I know you before. You met me
Yeah.
before. I'm trying to tell you that he upset me because he told me what can I identify as, and I'll identify as a male or female. So are you making me uncomfortable, trying to make me feel like I'm not a male or female?
It's trying to be respectful.
No, it's not respectful because the way he said it.
That's how you perceive it, okay?
But exactly, and that
All right.
I'm only being compliant because of that. But I'm not being incompliant because of his actions. I'm being compliant because of
All
what
right.
he said.
So, at this point, are you going to submit to field sobriety exercises?
Even if I submit or not submit, if I'm going to be able
Are
to
you
pass,
going to submit or
no,
not submit? Okay.
Perfect.
I want to submit, but I need to know the answers to that.
You're under arrest for DUI.
Are you gonna breathalyze me or what?
No, ma'am. We don't use portable breathalyzers in the state of Florida.
Hello. Yes. Can I please get my variety test, please?
Didn't they already do when you step out for me? I'm gonna search you.
May I get my variety test? Like, God, I didn't do shit. What the fuck? I'm not even drunk. I didn't even have one beer.
Well, spread your feet for me.
Y'all are not gonna try to give me a test or what?
Just, DUI doesn't just mean alcohol. I mean,
I'm not on nothing. I don't do drugs. What the f?
I'm not saying that you do. I'm just saying that.
Y'all told me y'all were gonna give me a test. I'm like, what the f? Where's the test?
Did you just refuse?
No, they're trying to confuse me on what the f I'm saying. I'm trying to say, like, I didn't do anything wrong is why I'm saying no. I will take a test if I have to prove it.
Do me a favor. Stop
No,
moving.
I can't go to jail. I literally just went to jail for Hurricane Milton or curfew.
Yeah, I need her to turn and
I'll
face
turn-
the car. Face the car. Spread your feet.
Oh, okay.
I need you to stop moving. Spread your feet.
I have nothing, literally.
I don't care. I need you to spread your
My
feet.
feet are spread. Sir. What the? Y'all are tripping. This is crazy as This is kidnapping. This is motherfucking insane. I didn't do anything wrong. What the? You guys should have opened the car to stop me.
Turn and face me. You got on a bra?
No! I literally came out to check my phone.
Hear anything in your mouth?
No.
Stick your tongue out for me. Okay.
This is f***ing insane. Y'all are crazy as
Okay. Have a seat.
Y'all are crazy. Can I take my test now?
I'll have to ask the.
Is this your phone?
Can I take my test?
Huh?
That's not my phone. Can I take my... I was looking out for
So whose phone is this?
I have no idea.
So do you want me to leave it in the car?
I need to take my test.
You refused.
No,
we just
I
asked
told,
you and
no,
you
that's
refused.
not what you said. You made
That's
me feel
exactly
like
what we
I was
said.
going to jail regardless.
Hop back in the car.
No, that's crazy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, y'all are tripping. Oh my God, this is crazy. What the?
Her subsequent statement, no, not submit, was an unambiguous refusal. Under Florida statutes, section 316.1932, Florida's implied consent law, refusal of lawful sobriety testing is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. The refusal is complete upon utterance. It cannot be retracted. After arrest, the driver requested a portable breathalyzer. The deputy correctly declined. Roadside PBT results are not admissible under Florida law. Only the intoxilizer 8-1000 administered at a certified facility qualifies as chemical evidence under the DUI statute. On the cross-gender search, the driver asserted female identity and objected to a male officer conducting the pat-down. A female officer was summoned. This is consistent with Fourth Amendment reasonableness and departmental best practices for searches incident to lawful arrest under Chimel v. California, 1969. Now the grades. The driver receives a C-. 3 decisions compounded her legal exposure. Refusing to produce her license violated Section 322.1-5. Refusing to exit the vehicle disregarded Mimms' authority. Conditionally, refusing field sobriety exercises converted a traffic stop into a DUI arrest with admissible refusal evidence against her. Charlotte County Sheriff's Office receives a B. DUI protocols, cross-gender search handling, and officer composure throughout were appropriate. Internal review is warranted on one point, whether the speed of early physical escalation complied with FDLE de-escalation training standards. Lessons learned. For law enforcement, physical contact before formal arrest requires documented justification and a demonstrated failure of verbal commands. Premature escalation creates civil liability exposure under 42 United States Code Section 1983. Stop. Explanations must be delivered clearly before commands are issued, not fragmented and overlapping with physical control. Cross-gender search accommodations should be proactive, not reactive. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.